This is Got the Fix-It Guide. Today we're dealing with the Miele dryer that won't heat up. And this is often caused by a dryer vent that's clogged. In this case, it was the outside vent screen that keeps out the birds and insects was totally clogged with lint. So this caused the dryer to overheat, and we cleared out the vent, but now we're going to reset the thermal fuses on the back of the dryer. To do this, we just have to remove a few Torx 15 fasteners here on the back. So we got to take this panel off. So we have, I think, 6 of these that we spin out, and then there's these little clips that we pull out, one on each side. So just grab the plate, pull it towards you, wiggle it a little bit, and the cover will come off. And that exposes these 3 thermal switches with little buttons on them. 2 have a red button, 1 has a black button, and just press all 3 of the buttons. And if any of them click, those were blown fuses. If they don't click, then they weren't blown. So 2 of these were blown, that's why we weren't getting any heat. So I put the cover back on, put the screws back in, plugged it back in, or you can turn the breakers back on. And then turned it on, and it did great. So this was caused because the dryer vent was all clogged, and that's a common occurrence. Sometimes even the little filter inside can be clogged, and you want to clean that, and that'll solve it. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe when you get a chance.